Hello there. Hi, welcome back to your next class. And the class we're going to have right now is math, okay? So the lesson we did yesterday about decomposing shapes is actually the last lesson that we had in geometry for now, sorry. So when it comes to talking about 2D shapes, we are done. Tomorrow, please bring your homework so I can check it. And then after that, we're going to deal with some revision. Now you might be wondering, Miss Ivana, why are you talking about math? We have craft. Well, because the craft that we're going to do today is very simple. And it's going to help us to more easily learn about the next topic that we're going to have in our math lessons, okay? So what we're going to talk about starting tomorrow, amongst other things, is this, what you can maybe read here behind me: greater than, less than, and equal to. So what is this? What is this? What are we talking about? We use these phrases when we are comparing two numbers, okay? So to make it visual for you to understand easily, more easily what I'm trying to say, I'm going to here make two teams of my magnet counters, okay? So in the end, we are going to make a craft. Just bear with me 3 minutes while I explain what we're doing, okay? So let's say that here we have team 1, and here we're going to have team 2. Okay, team 1 and team 2. So how about we start with putting 6 magnets in each team? Okay, so I'm going to count by twos. 2, 4, 6. Okay, and here as well. 2, 4, 6. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to compare these two teams. So as I said, in team 1, we have 6 magnets. In team 2, we have 6 magnets as well. So for now, we can say that when it comes to its size, team 1 is equal to team 2. So look, even if we put all the magnets here like this, and we leave these as they are, they're still equal to each other, okay? We're not looking at the shape, we're looking at the amount, okay? Here we have 6, here we have 6. So how are we going to write that down? Well, we're going to write that 6 equals 6, yeah? That 6 is equal to 6. So we're going to write that here like this. 6 equals 6, okay? So what are we going to do if we move 1 here? Let's see what this runaway magnet did for us. So here we now have 2, 4, and 5. Team 1 has 5 magnets. Team 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so here we have 5, here we have 7. So if, when we had 6 and 6, they were equal, now that this one has 1 more and this one has 1 less, I think it's very obvious to see that team 2 has more magnets than team 1. Okay, so why is that? Because 7 is greater than 5. And we're going to write that like this. We're going to write number 7, and then we're going to put this sign, okay? Okay, so this is a new sign for us today, okay? And this sign we read as greater than. 7 is greater than 5, okay? And then, of course, that also means that 5 is less than 7, okay? So we have 7 is greater than 5, 5 is less than 7, and 6 is equal to 6. Okay, so what we want to focus on right now are these two signs, yeah? So how to remember which one means which? Well, you can see, imagine that they are a mouth of a very hungry monster. Now this monster, because it's a monster, it fears nothing. And this monster isn't any kind of monster. It's a number crunching monster. This monster wants to eat one of these numbers. And because it's very hungry, it's going for the greater number. Yeah, it's going for the big bite. Okay? So this is actually what we're going to make today. We're going to make, let me show you the picture. It's going to look something like this. Okay, so I also sent the picture in the lesson plan for today. We are going to be making these monsters. So what do you need for this? Let me show you. You are going to, first of all, need some popsicles, okay? If you have in color, great. If you don't have in color, if you have the regular ones, you can color them in. If you don't have any, you can just cut up strips of paper. Of course, you can color the paper, or maybe it can be a bit thicker paper so they hold up better. Now, once you have the two parts of the monster's mouth, you're going to need to make some teeth, okay? So for teeth, you're going to need white paper, although it doesn't have to be white. Monster can have teeth of any color, okay? And you want to make the teeth for both upper and lower jaw. So look what I'm going to do. Okay, I think this is long enough. Okay, so when you cut the paper that you're going to use, make sure that it's long enough, okay, but not too long, because here you're going to have to stick this together, so you're not going to need paper there. Okay, so now I'm going to try to cut this zigzag, and it doesn't have to be equal, and you don't have to make teeth like this from one piece of paper. When I mean teeth, upper and lower jaw, you have to do it like this. You can cut them up in different ways. Okay, but what is important is that you have space here where you can stick this to the popsicle. Okay, you see? So I'm going to take some glue now. Put it on one side. Okay, stick the teeth. Let's take a look. Oh, this looks pretty nice. Okay, so I'm going to leave this to dry, and while this is drying, I'm going to take and stick the other jaw. Okay, so let's just see, am I using the right side? So if I'm going to do, okay, so you need to check, okay, look, because let's say this is going to be my upper jaw, and this is going to be the lower one. So I need to make sure that I'm putting the teeth in the right place. So it's going to be like this, okay? So you need to check on which side you need to stick the other, the lower set of teeth. So again, a little bit of glue, okay? Press it gently so it sticks. Okay? And let's see now. We said, what did we say? Uh-oh, did I make a mistake? We have like this. Okay, so I'm going to put some glue here and stick this over. So I'm adding some here. whoopsie, this go here. Okay, and I'm gonna let it dry, and while it dries, what I'm going to use are these googly eyes. Now, if you don't have googly eyes, that is okay. You can maybe cut out a white circle and then draw the black pupil with a marker. Okay. Oh, this one isn't, I need glue for this as well. Okay. Okay, and then here, right here in the middle, you're going to add your monster's eye. Okay, and then let's see, which sign is this? Is this greater than or less than? So here, we could use it like this, yeah? We could use it to say that 5 is less than 7, okay? So as I've made this one, whoopsie, you can also make the other one. Well, you can just actually turn it around to the other side, and you can use it either way. But the best thing to do is to make one on this side for greater than, one for the other side less than, and then to actually take 2 sticks and do the same, okay? So put the teeth in between, put 2 eyes here, and then you're going to stick that to a piece of paper and cut it out. Why? That's going to be your equal to sign, okay? So then what are you gonna do with this after you've made it? Well, then you can play a little game. So to play this game, you can use playing cards, or you can use cards from Uno, where you take out 2 cards, turn them around, and then decide which number or which sign you should put in between. So maybe this is confusing. I don't have any cards here, but look, I'm going to use these numbers that I have here. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like this. I'm going to move this away. Okay, going to clean some space so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm not gonna look which numbers I'm taking. Okay, so I have this number. Yeah, number 3. And the other number I have, I'm not looking, is this one. This is number 9. Okay, so I have 3 and 9. Okay, so imagine that you took out the cards, you put them like this, and now what goes where? So let's see, where is my monster? What is my monster going to eat? My monster wants to eat the number that is greater, because this is a super hungry monster. So my monster is going to go like this, yeah? So this monster says 3 is less than 9, so I'm going for number 9. Okay, guys, I hope that you liked this craft, and I can't wait to see tomorrow morning how your monsters came out. See you soon. Bye-bye.